Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. So now in this video I'm going to discuss about the one more concept about the uh, list data types, right? List data type, one more concept I will discuss here. 1 minute. Okay, this one paints. Okay, right. So in the last class, this is my topic. This one is the topic actually. I mean range data type I have discussed in the last class. Okay, range operations. These are the nodes on the range. And here today, which topic I'm going to discuss? This one, slicing. Okay, reading the element of list. Indexing already I have covered using for loop also over. Slicing, then iterator and enumerator is there. Today topic is slicing. About slicing I will tell. So here, what is the meaning of slicing, right? Already the general meaning of slicing or literal meaning of slicing is a part, few part from the complete part, right? The slicing means a few part. It's just a part of a full part or a full body is there or full. I mean, a full length of rod is there, full length of bar is there. Slicing means I will cut into small parts. That is nothing but slicing here, right? So literal meaning. But here, what is the meaning of slicing and what is the work of the slicing in the list? How by the help of slicing we will read the data or read the elements of the list. Already indexing, by indexing we have discussed, but problem is that what is in the indexing? What is the problem in the indexing? We can read only one element at a time. At a time only we can read. Suppose I will give one example here. Suppose this is the list here. Already here L equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If I'll write L of 0, then only 10 will be read. L of suppose 3, only this 40 will be read, right? Means in one attempt only one value is read. Is there any alternative ways, or is there any way where in one attempt I can read 2 element, 3 element, 4 element, n number elements? That means instead of reading one element, I want to read more than one element in one attempt. Is it possible or not possible in the list? 100% it is possible. How it is possible? By using the concept of slicing, it is possible, right? Through this slicing, we can read more than one element in one attempt from a list, existing list, right? So I will write some theory about this. It is used to read. It is used to read more than one element. More than one element from a list, because by indexing only one element in one attempt at a time I can read, but by using slicing more than one element we can use, right? Okay, so to implement this slicing, one operator is used. That operator name is slice operator. Okay, and it is denoted by colon symbol. This is the slice operator, right? Okay, I'll write here by using slice operator. Slice operator, slice, slow, SLI, right? By using slice operator symbol is colon. Okay, slicing can be done. Okay, slicing can be done, right? So this is the 2 points I have written, right? Then I will tell how this concept I will implement in the program, and how it can able to print a number of element or more than one element by using these slicing operators. That means I am talking about the syntax, right? What is the syntax? How I can write in the program? Very simple. What is the syntax? List name, right? List name, bracket start, sorry, square bracket start slice operator, stop slice operator, step. This is one syntax. Number of syntax are there. This is one syntax. Slice operator, this one, right? If I write like this, I can extract more than one element from the, or I can access more than one element from the list. In this way I can write, it is same as if I'll write like this syntax is same as, okay, or we can write, or we can write like this, list name, okay, list name bracket start, only give one colon, another colon. This is also same as the first syntax, right? And if I'll write like this also, or list name list name only one colon. This is the three are same format. Here I have written start, stop and step, but here I'm nothing I have written nothing I have written here, but it indicates that the first column, this is the first column, before that it is start, in middle it is stop, and at the end it is step. And here one column only, one column means before the one column, before this column start, after this column stop, and by default step is one. Always remember, by default step is one. So through this syntax, either first one or middle one or last one, I can access more than one element from the list. I will give the practical examples here. Observe carefully. Suppose I'm writing here, one minute guys. All right. Suppose I have a one list. Suppose L equal to, or list one, list name is list one equal to, whatever, list one equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Like this, I have list. Suppose 50 also there. 55 elements are there, 10, 20, 30, 40. You know indexing, already I discussed. 10, 0 index, 20, first index, 1. Okay, so 10 for 0 index, at 0 index 10 is there. 20 at 1 index, 30 at second index, and 3, and this is 50 at 4 index number 4, right? Now suppose I will write here I will write here list 1 of start value, suppose 0, right, colon, stop value suppose 5, colon 1, right, colon 1. Now see what output I will get, sir. Slice 0, 5, 1, right? If I want to print this one, then I have to write here print list 1 of, okay, list 1 of 0, 5, 1, right, 0, 5, 1. If I will not write the print function here, it will not print. See, only I have written here list of this one, then I got the result. That means it is a slice operation, right? It is a slice operation. Slice operation. In the slice operation, this is the start value, this is the stop value, and this is the step value. But I want to print those elements. Now observe, at a time, in one attempt, what I can print? I print 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. In for loop also, at a time also we can print, and slicing also at a time we can print all elements, but by indexing only one element I can print. Now see, I have shown you three syntax, right? Now same what I will write, print list one of list one of bracket start, one column, another column, right? Already the syntax already there. Now see what output I will get for this one. Same output, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, double colon. Now single colon also. Single colon also I will give you only single column. Right? Now observe what output, same output. So by using the syntax, I can get the same value, not a problem matter, right? So I will add this one to note. 1 minute. Snip tool. Okay. Now this is my program. An example I have given. Right? Now see what I will do. Suppose I will write here print list one of, right? Now start value I will give 1. Okay, start value I will give 1, stop value is suppose 5, and I'm not giving the step value. If I'm not giving the step value, by default step value is what? 1. Right? Now what output I will get, sir? I will get output. Okay, this is my list, right? This is my list. In the list, 10 is at 0 index, 20 is at 1 index. Observe, I have start the value from 1 index. That means it will print from 20 onwards, right? Now observe, 20 onwards it will print. Well, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. 50 is in 4 index. But I have given here stop value 5, right? So stop value never include. Less than 1 stop value will be included. So 4 value is 50 here. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 value is not there. Similarly, if I'll write here print list 1 bracket start, right? 1 slice 4. Okay, 4. Then what output I will get, sir? 4. 4 is the stop value. But unfortunately, 4 observe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means in the 4 place 50 is coming. But since stop value is 4, so 50 will not print because stop value never include. Always less than 1 stop value will be considered. That means up to 40 it will be printed. And starting value is 1. Starting value is 1 means it will print 20, 30 and 40. 50 will be not print, 10 will be not print. Observe 20, 30, 40 is printed, right? So this two also I will add. Right. Okay, this is the one syntax here. Right, this is one syntax. Now, suppose I will change this step value. I will change this step value. Print, right? Print list one of like this colon, and here I'm giving 2. right? Here I'm giving 2. What is the meaning, sir? Meaning is very clear. Here by default start value is 0, just like this situation, right? This situation. By default start value is 0 and stop value is end of the list, length of the list. Length of the list is nothing but 5. Okay, now length of, because how many character, how many integer? 1 2 3 4 5. So length of the list is 5. And the step value here, instead of 1 I am giving 2. Okay, 2 means 2 gap. It will take 2 gap. So if 10 will be printed, then it will take 2 gap. Okay, 20 will not print, 30 will be print, right? Then 40 will be not print, 50 will be print. So meaning of 2 is here. Observe carefully. What output I am getting? 10, 30, 50. That means 20 ignored and 40 also ignored. Why? Because step value clearly I have mentioned here. What? 2. Step value clearly I have mentioned here 2. That's why I am getting this type of output. Okay. So I kept this 2 place blank. I have not given here start value, not given stop value. Only I have given the step value. I can change it, right? Like this also I can write. So lot of syntaxes are there. Okay, lot of way of writing the programs are there. Lot of ways are there. So everything you need to remember here. Once you practice, automatically it will come. So this is one more example, right? So for this, I will write one more syntax here. What is the syntax, sir? For this one, what is the syntax? Syntax is list name bracket start colon step, right? Step colon step. This is the program, right? This is the program for this syntax, right? Then immediately that every location will not printed. One location is ignored here, skipped here, right? So suppose one more example here. Observe. I will give here. Suppose L is one more list. List name is L. Suppose list having two. Okay, list having suppose 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, like this elements are there in the list, right? Now if I'll write here print, right? Print L of colon 1. Okay, colon 1. What output I'll get? Here step value I have given 1. If I would have not given 1 even, it will take step value by default 1. So I can give 1 also, no problem. If I will not give 1 also, then it will by default take step value is 1. So all the value will be printed. Observe 11, 20, 30, 40, 50, 61. If in place of 1 I will give 2 or 3, then as per the location number it will be print. 2 means 22 will not print, 44 will not print. Now see, observe, I will give this example also. Control V. Here I am writing, sir, 2. Now see what is the output coming here. 55, right? Up to 55. 11, 33, 55. Just before I given this example, right? What is my L value, sir? L value is this one. Now what I am doing here, I am in place of my 1, I am writing -1, right? I am taking -1. What is the output, sir? What is the output here? Output become 66, 55, 44. See, output 66 reversed. The list is totally reversed. Okay, totally the list is reversed here. Then here I need to write 2 points here. What is the point means? If step is positive, right? Positive, then element will be accessed, sorry, accessed from left to right, left to right. If step value is positive, right? Step value is positive means whether 1 or 2 or 3, whatever it may be, the elements will be print from left to right of the list. Okay, na? If step is negative, then elements will be accessed from right to GHT, right to left, right to left, right? Just before, this is the one example. Okay, left to right printed. Okay, and here right to left example I am giving. This is right to left. This two example I will give. Okay, here now it is positive. So element accessed this. Control C. Control V, and here this example I will give. Sorry. Right. Control. Now suppose sir I will give here object. Control V, control C. I will give here -2. What will be happen? -2. Then what will be print? First what is the L value? First I will see. First what is the L is see 11, 20, 33, 44, 55. Now I will print by slicing operators, but I will give the step value here 2. If 2, then 66 will be print, 44 will be print, 22 will be print. Right? Observe here. 66, 44, 22 is printed because step value is 2. 1 is gap is created. 1 that means one location, 0 location element consider, 1 location not consider, 2 consider, 3 not consider, 4 consider. Like this it is going to be print here. Right? Okay. Now suppose few example I will give here. Suppose a list having element L equal to suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80 also I am taking. Okay. How many elements right now? Sorry, 8 elements in the list. Right? 8 element in the list. Now if I print here, print L of 0 slice 5, slice operator 1. Sir, what is the output I will get? 0, 5, 1. So start value here, already the syntax I discussed. 0 is the start value, 5 is the stop value, but 8 elements is there, right? Then 0 index is 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, okay, 40, 50. Up to this it will be print because step value is 1, 1, right? Okay, now observe. what will be printed? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is printed here. Okay. Same same thing also I can write in another way. Observe, control C, control V. I'm deleting here 0. Only I'm writing here 5. Stop value is 5, but I have not given the start value. Remember, when start value is not there, then by default start value is 0. By default start value is 0. Now in this case, what is the output? Same output I will get. Now once again observe, suppose I will not give this 5 and not give this 0 even. Right? Even 0 I will not give. Already stop. What is the output? No, sorry, this is I have not given a stop value. That's why it will take the full length of the list. Full length of the list is taken. So stop value, suppose I will give here, I will delete this one. What is the output, sir? Output is, because here step value I have not given, so by default step value become 1 here. Same output like this, same output I will get. Same output here also I will get here. After 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 I got. Right? Suppose I am writing here L2 equal to L of, okay, L of 3 colon 8 colon 1, right? 3 colon 8. That means whatever the result this will give, it will store in L2, right? Whatever the result I will get from the slicing operation, that result is going to be stored in the L2. Now I'm printing here, print L2. Same meaning, right? Directly I can print, or by storing in another variable and printing that another variable also, it is okay, fine. Now observe what output I will get. 3, start value is 3 here. Okay, starting value is 1 minute. Starting value is here 3. And start value is 3 and stop value is 8. Okay, 8 means how many integers are there in the list? In this list, how many integers? 8 integers. Then 8 integers are there. That means length of the list is 8. So stop value is 8. Then what output I will get, sir? This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. 40 is in the 3 position, right? So from 40 onwards, it will print 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, right? Observe here the output. What output I am getting? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 is the output, right? Suppose I will write here L3 equal to L of -1 colon -5 colon -1. Right? -1 colon -5 colon -1. And what is the output I will get? -1. Start value is -1. That means bigger than stop value. Stop value is -5, which is less than the start value. Already I told, if it is start value is more than or bigger than stop value, then step value should be negative. Here -1 or -2 or -3, whatever you can write. But step value should be negative when the start value is bigger, more than the stop value. Now right now -1 is the start value, which is more than -5. That's why step value is -1. If I'll give here 1 only, I will not get any output, right? I will not get any output. Now observe here. Now -1. That means this is my list, right? This is my list, original list. This is my original list. So I told this is -1 indexing. When the indexing is done from right to left, right? Already I told you, when the indexing is done, when the suppose 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Indexing is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is left to right, left to right. If it is right to left, the indexing become -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, right? So here in this particular code, in this particular program, I have trying to print from -5 to, sorry, -1 to -5. So this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -4, and this is -5. But -5 will not include. Then what output I will get, sir? I will get this output. Okay, I will get this output 80 to 50. Okay, I will get this output 80 to 50. 40 will be not considered because 40 is present at the index -5, and here unfortunately my stop value is -5. Always remember, stop value is not included. If I print this one, print L3, observe L3, what output I am getting? 80, 70, 60, 50. 40 is not included, right? So in the same way, if I'll write like this also, L3 equal to, instead of write like this, Control V, if I'll write here, -1, I will delete here, right? -5, -1. So what is the meaning, sir? Here, by default, the start value become -1. By default, the start value become here -1. Now see, observe, I print L3, print EL3. What output I got? Same output I got or not? Same output I got here, right? Observe, same output I got here. So these are the some programs on. Okay, I will add this one. Where here. Right. Snip tool. Here to here. Now this is some few programs, right? You have to practice all these things. Otherwise, very difficult to understand this one. Right. Now, I will write a small program for you. What is that small programs? I'll write here. Write a program to find first two maximum number or two maximum value from the given list. A list will be given to you. From that list, you have to find the first two maximum numbers, right? First two maximum numbers you have to write. Find. Now see, very simple programs I will write here. Now what I'm doing, first I will add some element to the list, or directly I can take the list equal to like this, L equal to 10 comma suppose 22 comma 34 comma 45 comma 24 comma like this 67 comma 37, like this I'm taking. Now the list is not in sorted order, it's not sorted list, right? Because 10, 20, 34, 45, again 24 comes, like this it is not sorted order. So after that, suppose this is the list, this is my list. What I will do, I have to find the first two maximum number, first two values, maximum value from this list. How to find this one? What I will do first, observe carefully, this is my list. I'll explain first. Okay, this is the list. So what I will do, first I will arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, all the elements what is there, it is not sorted format. First step is what? First step is I will sort it. Okay, first step is I will sort. I will sort in descending order. Okay, DESCEND. I will sort in descending order. Once it is sort in descending order, what will become, sir? Big number will come first. First 67 will come, then 45 will come, then 37 will come, then 34 will come. Okay, then 34, then 24 will come, then 22, then 10 will come. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is my sorted list in descending order. Now what is my task, sir? Find the first two maximum value. Now see, in this list, this is the first maximum value and this is the second maximum value. Right now, what is the index number, sir? 0. And what is the index number? 1. Can I print EL of 0 and EL of 1? Now it will give first maximum value 67 and second maximum value 45. This is my answer. Right? This is my answer. In this way I can write. But here one problem. What is that problem? I will tell. Let me first execute this program first. Okay, after writing this one, I will sort. How to sort? Already how to sort this program means, if I write like this, L dot sort. Okay, if I'll write like this, L dot sort function, then my existing list will be sort in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means from small to big, but I want big to small. I want big to small. That means descending order. Then how to write? Same, sir. L dot sort. Okay, L dot sort. Inside the bracket, you write reverse. In reverse order, I have to sort descending order. Reverse equal to true. Okay, reverse equal to true. Then my existing list will be sorted in descending order. That means in this format it will come. Okay, after this one, I will print the first index value and second index value. That is my answer. The same thing I am going to do in this program. Observe carefully. What I will write here: L dot sort reverse equal to true. Right? That's it. Reverse equal to true. Now I will print what? L of 0, comma L of 1. L of 0, comma L of 1. Right? Now observe, I got the correct output as per my requirement or not. That means what is my requirement? Finding the first two maximum number. First two maximum number in this list is what? One is 67 and second maximum is 45. Right? Now see, I saved this program. Now I'm running this program. See. What output I got, sir? 67 and 45. This is my first two maximum number I got. Okay, no problem. Okay, it is finally working. But here is one problem. What is the problem? Suppose one more 67 is there in this list. Okay, one more 67 is there. 67, here also 67 is there. Then now see what is the problem here. Control S, F5. What output I got, sir? I got the output 67, 67. But actually, these are same number or not? But what is my requirement? First two maximum numbers. So 67 is equal to 67. My output should be in this case also 67 and 45. But unfortunately, by using this logic, I am getting what? Wrong result. That means this logic will be work perfectly if in the list there is no duplicate value. Okay, every value is unique. Every 10, 22, 34, every value is unique. There should not be any duplicate value. If any duplicate value is there, then there is a chance my program will give wrong result, wrong output. Then what is the solution, sir? A beautiful solution is that, observe carefully. After sorting this one, after sorting in descending order, this line will be sort my list in the descending order, big to small number. After this one, I will count the first place number, that means 67. I will count. Okay, what I will do, suppose I am writing m equal to maximum, sorry, 67, right? Here I will write here, I'm writing here, suppose m equal to L of 0. Okay, L of 0. After this line, my list will be sorted to descending order, big to small. So already first 67 will come. Okay, 67 will come here, first position. Okay, so what I'm writing, m equal to L of 0. L of 0 is nothing but here right now 67. Okay, 67. Then I will count how many 67 is there in this list. How many 67 is there in this list? How to count, sir? Very simple. I will count, suppose C equal to L dot count. Which one? 67. 67 store in where? In the M, right? Count M. Okay. L dot count M. Suppose 67 is one time in the list. Then L dot count M will give answer 1 because 60 M value is 67. Observe carefully. Explanation is very required here. Very essential. So M equal to L of 0. L of 0 because already descending order. So first one is no doubt it is maximum number, first value. First index, 0 index is maximum number. That's why I have written M maximum, M for maximum equal to L of 0. Nothing but 67. Now what is my next step, sir? I will count how many 67 is present in this list. How to find? L dot count 67. 67 is in M. 67 I store M equal to, so M. So, and what is the result I will count? I get that I will store in the C, right? C. Now for this particular example, how many 67 is there? 1. So it will give answer 1. Now C become 1, right? C become 1. Now what I will do, I will print L of 0 and L of C I will print, not L of 1. L of C I will print. Sorry. 1 minute. L of C I will print. For this particular example, what is the C value? 1. So automatically here L of 1. So L of 0 and L of 1 will be printed 1 minute. Sorry guys. So here L of 0 is 67 and L of C value is 1. So L of 1 is how much? 45 will be printed. Okay, 45 will be printed. Now in another, by storing the duplicate value also, I am giving the example. Observe carefully. Control N. Suppose the list value is 10, 22, 33. 1 minute, what is the list value? I will copy directly. Okay, 33, 45, 67, 24, again 67 is there, again 23 is there, like this. The list value is there. Sir, how many 67 duplicate values there, right? Then what I will do, first I will arrange this list in sorted order. I will sort it. In which order? descending order. I'll sort in descending order. How to sort? By writing this one, L dot sort reverse equal to, if I'll write L dot only if I'll write L dot sort, it will sort in ascending order. But I want descending order, big to small. Then I will have to write reverse equal to true. Then it will sort in descending order. If it descending order, then 67, 67, 45. After 45, 45, right? 45, 33, 24, 23, 22, 10. Now this is my sorted list in descending order. Then what I will do, I will write m equal to L of 0. What is the L of 0, sir? L of 0. This is 0 index. This is 1 index. This is 2 index. This is 3 index. 4 index. What is the 0 index, sir? 0 index 67. That means I store that L of 0 in M. That means 67 I store in M. After storing this, I will count how many 67 is there in this list. How many 67 is there in the list? How to count, sir? Very simple. L dot count 67. 67 right now in which variable? M. 6 M. Okay, whatever result will come, I will store in C. C equal to this one. Right? Now for this current example, what is the value will come? 67 how many times? 1 time, 2 times. So it will come 2. C value become here 2. Now I will print the 2 maximum value. First maximum value is which one? L of 0, right? L of 0. And second maximum value is L of C. L of C. Right now, what is the C value, sir? 2 na? That means L of 2. This is L of 0. This is L of 1. And this is L of 2. Automatically, 67 and 45 will be printed here. By adding this line, the previous problem is solved here. Observe carefully. I will execute this program. Okay, what after L of 0 I'll write. Then I will write here C equal to L dot count M. Right? And here I will print L of C. Okay, suppose I'm giving here, okay, all control S. Control S. Now currently no duplicate value in the list. In the list there is no duplicate value, all are unique values. See out it is working or not. I slightly change the code F5. Now see what output I'm getting. 67, 45 I'm getting. Right now what I'm doing, I'm giving duplicate value in the list, comma 67. Right now control S, F5. Now see what output again, 67, 45 or not. Internally it is working like this. Suppose one more 67 I will give. Suppose 67, 67 I'll give. Lot of duplicates value are there. Now see, no problem. Again I will get the same output here. Control S, F5. See 67, 45. That means this logic is working for both case in the sense, if the list contain duplicate value also it is print the correct answer. If it is not contain the duplicate value also it will print the correct answer. Suppose one more 45 also I'll give here, comma 45. Okay, now see control S, F5. See what output I'm getting, 45 not 67, 45. No problem. Now this logic is working fine. So this is a program, small program on the slicing concept. And all these programs I have given here. So write a program. I will add this program here. And one more thing I will do here. Directly I have written the list here, right? Directly I have written the list here. I can read the list. Okay, I can read the list. It will change the code like this. Okay, no problem. In the next video I will discuss this one. Currently, just for your understanding purpose, I am keeping this example only. This is the program, right? Control V. This is the program, and this is the output. Output, right? So lot of programs, lot of examples I have given on slicing here. So you need to practice, and you need to practice it 2-3 times, because this concept is little bit confusing, right? So slicing is used for, it is used for read more than one element from a list. Which operator? Slice operator, nothing but column. This is the syntax, several syntax I told here. This is one syntax, and below also, below 2-3 syntaxes are there. Here one syntax I have given, and about that syntax also theory I have written. So next class I will discuss one more list topic is not over. Lot of things are there. Iterator, in enumerators, then mutable operation in the list I will discuss one by one. So today I conclude here. So take care and bye.